Eliminate bad smells and unclog drains with the help of salt. For this, just put some salt into the drain and pour hot water in it. Salt will clean all the grease stuck in the pipes, while the hot water will dissolve the dirt and release it more easily. Try it in your kitchen drains.
That's what rich people do, and I didn't know. First, put some water on to boil and add a steel sponge in it. Try to open the sponge with culinary. Now put a little bit of detergent on top of it. After adding the detergent, add a tablespoon of baking soda. Now take your stove burner and place on top of the sponge. Leave it on fire for 10 minutes. The chemical reaction will clean it. Now pour the water out of it. You can see how the grease is removed. Try this hack and let me know the results.
Remove smell from your water bottle with the help of salt. For this, first add plenty of salt in your water bottle. Then mix it well. After that, remove excess of salt and wash it with the help of water. You will notice that how the bad odor will vanish from the bottle after using this trick. Try it and share your results. This container cleaning hack will solve a lot of problems. Take a dirty cleaner and add water in it. Then add dishwasher in it. Put a paper towel in it and cover the container with a lid. Shake it well and you will see how the container is cleaned. Now wash it with water and it is totally clean. Try it and share your results. You will never waste your money on buying expansive surface cleaners after seeing this trick. For this, first you have to boil water and add few cloves in it. You can add as many as you want. After boiling it for 10 minutes, strain the liquid. Then add 2 tablespoons of dishwasher in it. After that, add few drops of vinegar in it and mix the liquid. Now, you have to take a spray bottle and pour the liquid into that bottle. Shake it well and your homemade surface cleaner is ready. Spray it on shelves for cleaning and eliminating insects. Try it and share your results. Just mix sugar and dishwasher and you no longer need to buy it from the supermarket. Take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon sugar in it. Now add baking soda in it. After that, add 1 tablespoon vinegar and 1 tablespoon of dishwasher in it. Mix it well. Your surface cleaner liquid is ready. You can use it to clean your sink and shelves.